Alright guys, I just came back from Costco and check this out. This is authentic Asia hand-wrapped shrimp wontons. So yeah, I wanted to try these out. Never seen these. These were new to me. There's the nutrient panel. And let's check out the ingredients. It's here somewhere. Where did I see it? On the side. Here's the ingredients there. If you guys want to pause it, let's read it. There you go. And let's open this up. Okay, so these are what they look like. They're tiny. There's 6 of them in there. Very tiny. And we'll cook it up. So here's the wontons, guys. And if you look here, basically it comes in a cup, and then you can actually fill it up and then microwave it. But I'm actually going to put it on a pot and cook it up. And yeah, I'll be back to do a quick taste test. Alright guys, it's all done. Here's the wontons. I poured it out into a bowl. It smells really nice. It has this sort of onion broth sort of smell to it. You can smell the seafood into it as well, the shrimp. So you can see the shallots or the green onions there. So let's do a quick taste test. Okay, so taste-wise, it's decent. It's small, but decent for being like instant, sort of like Costco sort of thing. Easy access. But it's actually a decent wonton, surprisingly. It is just a little bit small, so if you look at it, there's like 1 shrimp in there. Usually when you have wontons like this, they're made into like mixed with pork, and they usually have like a mixture of shrimp to it. So somebody have one more here. Yeah, it's only 1 shrimp in there, so yeah, definitely check it out, guys. It's decent, but it's really small. All right, guys, see more videos.